and get these fire roasted clothes. I think my breath swell with the song. Yeah.
Good line. Savannah's great. Ad-lib and sing. Well, earlier on I mentioned something about the Hallelujah Chorus being priceless, though some might call us cheap. And you know what happens when you're considered cheap and you go out on a first date. You're expected to put out more than the first kids on the first date. Well, the Hallelujah Chorus is expected in their first set to put out a little bit more for their fans, the ones who are regularly screaming and begging for it. Well, we're going to surprise them and do it early tonight. Bring out that country western gal, Country western gal. Thank you.
Well, I don't swear use bad language, they're cuss. I'll be hated if I use words that I consider foul. I try to keep myself like money, not cheap nor trashy kind. I'm just a common country western gal. I'm just a country